What will be the well is defined assumption, right? For the first important types, sir. When we discussed about by the data types, operators, conditional statements, and now we are in functions, state, access. So we will definitely connect. You can see what is user defined. So discussed about what are the what is the keyword which we use defining a function, right? We also discussed that, and certainly that keyword is there, right? It's based that like the type, the defect, right? Return type, no return type. We discussed about that, disparate pairs, what are actual so I look at this, it makes by reference, started about the nameless function lambda. Yes, in user-defined function, we discussed about the very first part, which we have to keep in mind, the function definition, right? I have discussed about what is basically the function definition, what is meant by function, what is the body, and again, how important is the function on. Like we all discussed all things. Maybe just about the word on word. How that how we will move ahead with the functions. Pertaining what pertaining like we will be try solving some of the more questions, right? Try solving right. Stick. I will just assign a function and for example, uh, just say I define the okay, I'm thinking for an example to average length. Just about the next two. let's try to find. It's like maximum elements inside a function. Maximum maybe inside a relation. Very good right find of them. It's right. Uh, what is the keyword for defining a function? I want you to write it on the second. What is right? So then you get steps. And again, you can take any example, any function. For that function, sub word or keyword, right? Take your name. And then, you know, what I'm doing, I'm solving is in all the that will get I'm solving. See, word, non-word, non-word, non-redundant, and non-word, and solve three different ways, right? So now let's make a word. Let's pass any arguments, we pass any parameters, right? So it's simple as that find the side image and the only thing actually the difference in that side image. See, but now I try just adding a function. Logic comes keep on working since return type and non type. Given. So I will try side up. So what I do is like this. So this is the test I have defined. Now I will assign a variable called m is equal to 0 because here I will be storing the maximum values. Okay. Next I will do, I will just use for 5 and, and I will check my m with I. If m, if I is greater than m, what I will do, I will store the value I. Let's try. What is the value here? It is this. I hope it is not that advantage. So it takes a usage. But we can see here, my maximum value got me. So this is the normal English. How we will define it in spam. Okay, I will add that I put a indentation here. And here you just have to keep it in mind that you have to match the indentation. That's it. The tab here. Again, here also give a tab. Here also give a tab. Here as well give a tab. And here as similarly here. So the three things which we have discussed while writing a function is the function definition should be there, the body should be there, and another thing is function call. We should call a function as well, right? So I will call the function. How will I call the function? Just by writing. right? And I will put a parenthesis because this is the identification of function. Function is being identified by this thing, by this parenthesis. Now, if I record, see, I got that. So now you have understood what is non-word function. Sorry, what is word function? Word function is the simple function. Just write the simple damn thing and just put it inside a function. That's it. No logic, nothing. The logic is a function definition. Now I will try, I think, non-return type. So in non-return type function, what I have to pass the vector, but will not return my answer. It will return inside the as if inside the function itself and not return it back. So here as well, I will not return the value. Okay? So how it will do it? It's okay. It's right. And instead of this, I'm defining here what I am but I will pass a function call and this as well. In that variable, I will pass it. So what I have done, instead of defining a discrete cycle function, I have used that discrete function what and I have used my formal arguments, the function definition, right? So then I will again, you'll see I got correct. Now let's try return type. The return type has been right. So what's the difference of return? So it side with me. Sorry. So here so that which we parentheses, otherwise it will not identify that print is a function, right? So I write it and I will call it without function call. It's not applicable. Why? Because just imagine your eyes. Your eyes has certain function, right? Fine. Unless you open your eyes, can't be able to see what's there. Same for multiple issues. So you have one. See, my value what, right? I guys have understood what how we can make the program in three different ways. How to write in a word function, how to write in non-word function, how to write in non-word return type function, right? So I hope you guys have understood that, right? So, like, next, now that could have been a list, right? If this could have been a list, no, obviously it will not, because I've already told you yesterday that parameters are which we across should match also match it. Our positional argument should match with our formal arguments, right? So you might be thinking that we have right this. It's a time thing. So why not just find something which is interesting and we don't have to write it again? How to do it? We'll do only a star if I star. What why what star? What is star? So just try to understand. Okay, I'm writing here. I want you guys to keep your pen and paper in your hand so that I guys won't feel sleepy and nothing will hit, right? So what's the meaning of star here? I'm writing here. Why I got the value and initially when I did the star, why I didn't got the value. Let's see here, like the star. Now I not get the I okay. How did one star change everything? बोलते ना एकदम से रात बदल गया इस बात बदल गया तो कैसे बदल गई with just with a star how it changed इस बात बदल कैसे so I'm writing it basically what's the meaning of star. So but you have write a multiple format that don't have write that why do you have write that because we are taking a time taking like that I just think you are right. Right? And here you can see here star symbolizes that it can take multiple values in the function and it doesn't matter whether it's a string, list, tuple, anything. It can take multiple values, right? Yes, but the program will change. This program will not work when I will ask multiple values. For example, if I will ask obviously my code will give why it will give error, how it can check the string that it is a program. No, it will not check it. Okay. Obvious, it will not. Whenever you are part of the plan, anything like that, just make sure inside it you are writing some sensible code. Sensible code means you are not just comparing again. You are passing some tuple value and then you are modifying the tuple. Right? You can't modify the tuple. Why you can't modify it? Because tuples are so just keep focus these things. I hope you guys have understood about the star. What is the star? Right? Now, here is a one star, right? What if I did a second star, two stars? What did I put options? Special one. Let me define a function. Once I will write the code, then I will explain what's happening here. Right? So I just pardon me with my mic because I'm just holding the my mic like this. And if I will try writing the code, I have two hands engaged. For that reason, I'm not speaking. But yes, I will speak. But yeah, it's for you guys to hear that. But no worries, I will speak. And then after that, I will explain it. Like, so it's not. So we just write down and it will happen. Now, what guys are keep in mind that whenever we are double asterisk, so it will take the value and the word from it. Right? You have heard about this the value, the value, right? Dictionary holds the value, holds the elements in key value pairs, right? So for that reason, I have given a key value here. Name is a key, Roni is a value, and it's a key. And this is how it should be. So when I what I will get, we can say just number 7, 15. What the type? Type. Right? can see against better things. Might have heard about arcs. Have heard about arcs at work. This is the arcs and works. You are surprised, right? So this is as simple as that. Don't make the code, don't make the life so much complicated. It's just simple. So I've explained it to simple. What is arcs and works? You might know that I was explaining arcs and works. I would have been more this time, but it might have appeared like a right now. It might not be right. First, have touched the previous, then it is this is the answer. This is what. So I hope you have understood what's the meaning of arcs and what is the meaning of works. Arcs means one asterisk, works means double asterisk. In one asterisk, we can take multiple values. We don't have hard code any hard code. Same as the works, we always take the value whenever we're giving a double asterisk here. Just forget about arcs. Just focus on first asterisk. Second, first asterisk will take the multiple values, combine, and works take the values in key and value. We have to give the key and we have to give the value. And works will take the elements, the values like. So I hope you guys have understood it. What's arcs it for? How to take multiple values, how you can take the values in key and value. Okay? How we have you have understood how to perform a task three different ways, three different functions. Now what we move on to the next our next like our next it's not this the next topic. We'll move on to the next question. The next concept in my sorry, the next concept in function, right? So what I will do, I will just try writing the code. Well, I missed it, not audible point. What I am explaining the issue. Like the writing the just keep using it writing in writing one consequence. So here what I'm doing, see, most of this what I do, I define the function. And here A, what A will take is one single value I can take. And after that, B will take multiple and take the values B and value E and value here, multiple value, right? And initially I assign E as the right? And if I were to do this, so it doesn't matter whether the right or take the whole the value. There is no differentiation. We would write a single variable here. No, it will not take. Consider all the values as a multiple value, which we have already considered. And C obviously C is the key and value pairs, right? And what I'm doing, P is a constant variable, meaning I am summing up the values. I'm calculating the sum of them. So for my very first thing, for I in P, the very first value of P will be P will use these values, right? With multiple values. So the very first value of my P will be 10. I will be adding 10 plus 0, 10 plus 0, 10. Then again 10 plus 1, 11. Then 11 plus 20. 13 plus 3, 16. Right? Then my D value what will change from 16, right? Now my value of D is 16. Right? Now when it will come here, basically C is a dictionary and C of I. C of I means C of Dhoni. C of Dhoni, what is it? 7. Whenever we are following a dictionary, the values can be located using the keys, right? So 16 plus 7, it's 23, right? Again, for the next value, 23 plus 8, that's 41. For that reason, you can see 41 getting here. Right? So now you might have understood that how we can use the single asterisk, double asterisk, combine it. The arcs and box function and combine it. We have understood. So I'm stopping it. And tomorrow we will discuss about the recursive function, right? My next topic in function. And tomorrow we'll be completing with the functions and day after tomorrow we will start with the problem. So what you have to do, you have practice at least from sites of code every day. 500 to 1000 lines of code, right? There will practice the thing and practice figuring the game, but they guys have fish drink, then you have practice. In the way, show that's right. In the 5 minutes, then practice the thing and then that's how we start. What what technique? If you ask me, first, just have to make sure that it's a word positive. So it's your feeling, take it, I don't wish to and shopping in here. See, all the way again, have a live session. And yes, I will have next week. I did right. Keep practicing it. I will say 1,000 times, keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.